We were contacted to provide a full property inspection on this home due to two separate points of water incursion that they were experiencing. As we arrived, we noticed in the basement there was excessive mold growth within the crawl space. We performed a thermal imaging leak detection inspection to determine the cause. Why exactly is water entering the foundation? We were able to find exterior points of compromise which allow water to easily enter behind finished installations and deposit at the lowest level of the home, which is the crawl space. It actually was allowed to develop a health concern due to mold proliferation that was allowed to grow within dark, humid areas not routinely visited by our client within the home. Once all exterior components are properly addressed, the interior mold remediation will be performed. In addition, we are going to provide foundation sealing application, which will prevent water incursion in the future, as well as all restoration required to create and restore a healthy living environment.
Honestly, no exaggeration, our work with you has really been beyond our wildest dreams. I mean, nobody wants mold, to be clear, but if you want to have your mold addressed, you're the guys to do it.
Right, and we'll sleep better knowing that we're safe because of you.